Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, Microsoft has spent close to 2 years rolling out the new 2023 Secure Boot certificates, as we have been talking about. And it's basically the old 2011 certificates that are expiring and are being replaced with the new 2023 certificates. And the June 2026 update, as I posted, pushed most supported PCs into what Microsoft calls the high confidence category, where the certificate would be applied automatically. And I have spoken quite in depth about secure boot certificates expiring on the channel. So if you want more in-depth information, just do a search accordingly. There are a good couple of videos. Now, as I've posted previously, the first secure boot certificate officially expired, according to Microsoft, on the 24th of June this year. And Microsoft has been replacing the older 2011 certificates since 2024. So if you have already received the latest Secure Boot certificates, then obviously you've got nothing to worry about. And a quick recap how you can check is if we head into our Windows Update on Windows 11, and we head to Update History, and we head to Other Updates. On this device, here is mine. Secure Boot Allowed Key Exchange KEK Update. Okay, that was the Secure Boot certificate that rolled out on this device. That was back in March of this year. And the Secure Boot certificates are rolling out through Windows Update on both Windows 11 and Windows 10 if you are signed up to the ESU on Windows 10, the Extended Security Updates program. And then on both Windows 10 and Windows 11, you can also head into your Windows Security app, Device Security, and here you'll see Secure Boot is on and all required certificate updates have been applied. No further certificate changes are needed. And that will apply to both Windows 11 and Windows 10. So if you've seen that, you've got nothing to worry about. Now, if you are not and you're concerned why Microsoft isn't rolling out the certificates to your device, then Microsoft has confirmed in recent changelogs to updates that have rolled out recently that the new Secure Boot 2023 certificates will keep coming for months. Okay, so if you haven't seen it, according to Microsoft, if we head over to the latest update that rolled out, I posted on earlier today, KB 5101684. Here we can see Microsoft says devices that haven't received the newer certificates will continue to start and operate normally. I have posted on that previously. And standard Windows updates will continue to install. Updated certificates will continue to be delivered through Windows Update in the coming months. Okay. And then also in the same changelog, if we head into the normal rollout features, Microsoft says certificate deployment via Windows updates continues across supported PCs and non-managed business devices in the coming months. So basically, you've got nothing to worry about if you have an eligible device and you haven't received the updates yet, according to those statements by Microsoft. So basically, you will receive the new 2023 certificates with the upcoming Windows 11 and Windows 10 updates that are rolling out over the next coming months. Unless, though, this is important, your device is not eligible for them. And one of the reasons you may not be getting the certificates on your device is because, as an example, this device I'm running here was purchased and manufactured before 2023. So I received the certificate on this device, but my other device was manufactured after 2023. So I haven't received a certificate and everything's up to date because it already had the new 2023 certificate applied. So that's one reason why you may not see the certificates. And then here's a couple of others. PCs running legacy BIOS mode or with Secure Boot manually disabled will be automatically skipped because Microsoft says the update process can't apply a certificate to firmware that isn't running proper UEFI Secure Boot. So that's important to take note. But nonetheless, just keeping us all on the same page. According to Microsoft, the new Secure Boot 2023 certificates will keep coming for months, so just keep checking in your Windows update. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.